Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video we'll compare the SKYDROID G Series receivers, GR01, GR02 and GR03, to help you choose the right receiver for your specific application. The GR01, GR02, and GR03 are all part of SKYDROID's new generation G Series receiver lineup. All three support dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz communication and are fully compatible with SKYDROID G Series transmitters. However, each model has its own unique design, features, and intended applications. Let's start with the size and appearance. Among the three models, the GR01 is the smallest and lightest. Its compact design makes it ideal for small UAVs, UGVs, and other platforms where space and weight are critical, offering greater installation flexibility. Next, let's look at the housing and cooling design. The GR01 features an ABS enclosure with a built-in active cooling fan, allowing it to quickly dissipate heat during extended operation. This makes it well-suited for applications that require continuous, long-duration use. The GR02 and GR03, on the other hand, feature CNC-machined aluminum alloy housings. The metal enclosure provides higher structural strength while acting as a passive heat sink. Without the need for a cooling fan, they operate more quietly and eliminate fan-related vibration and noise. Now let's compare their key features. The GR02 is specifically designed for relay applications and supports dual-band relay operation. Both the primary and secondary transmitters can simultaneously receive video and telemetry data, while also controlling the gimbal, photo capture, video recording, and other functions. Control can be transferred manually using a switch or automatically if the communication link is interrupted. This makes the GR02 an excellent choice for applications such as mountain inspections, beyond visual line-of-sight operations, and remote takeoff and landing. The GR03 introduces a unique FC fiber optic interface. It can communicate with compatible G Series transmitters through a fiber optic connection, providing wired communication with higher bandwidth, lower latency, and stronger resistance to electromagnetic interference than conventional wireless links. This makes it particularly suitable for power line inspections, special-purpose robotics, and industrial environments where communication reliability is essential. To summarize, GR01 focuses on lightweight and compact design, making it ideal for space-constrained unmanned platforms. GR02 is optimized for relay control, enabling seamless switching between two transmitters for complex flight missions. GR03 supports fiber optic communication, providing an ultra-low latency and highly interference-resistant solution for demanding industrial applications. These are the main differences between the SKYDROID GR01, GR02, and GR03 receivers. Finally, we've also prepared a detailed specification comparison table to help you select the model that best fits your application. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more SKYDROID product reviews, wiring tutorials, and flight tests, be sure to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.